Ukraine has spent nearly €1 billion over the past year on fortifications meant to halt Russian advances. But as Moscow captures territory at its fastest pace in months, questions are rising over whether this investment is paying off where it matters most, Politico reports. Faced with smaller Russian assault groups backed by drones, Ukraine has shifted tactics. Instead of long trench systems, it's building compact, concealed strongpoints. Army Chief Oleksandr Syrskyi says newer positions are 60-70 meters long, designed for one unit, and better protected from surveillance.
If there are no servicemen in the fortification or their number is insufficient, it does not play its role.
Defense Minister Rustem Umerov called this shift an adaptive engineering approach focused on defending soldiers while adapting to enemy tactics. Anti-drone protection and tactical concealment are now priorities in Ukraine's frontline construction efforts. Despite allocating €930 million to build 3,000 defensive points, results are mixed. In Dnipro, coordination between military and local officials built 3 solid lines. But in Sumy and Kharkiv, DeepState's Roman Pohorily says confusion reigns. Trenches are misplaced, barriers incomplete, and responsibilities unclear. Syrskyi admitted that the trench work is still done manually under fire. Troops dig with shovels in active combat zones. Even well-designed defenses fail without soldiers to hold them. And despite time, bought in places like Sumy, fortifications were delayed, often built after retreats. Russia is now exploiting Ukraine's gaps, probing for weak spots and punching through. In June alone, Russia seized 500 square kilometers, its fastest advance in months. Ukraine's fortification strategy reflects modern warfare, but delays, disorganization, and manpower shortages are blunting the impact of €1 billion in defenses.
I'm ready to go to war.